Thank you very much. First of all is to wish you a Happy New Year to my YouTube followers, Francis Wakuku. We have been working with you 2023 and now we are in 2024. And because of, there are many people who have been tagging me, asking me, Francis, last time you posted that you are constructing a warehouse at Magogoni. How is the progress? And I decided I will not just take a video, I'll just take a video after the holiday. And today being on Saturday after Christmas, I have decided to come and take a video and show you how the progress is. You remember we started with construction of the warehouse, and initially the farmer of this area was doing pigs. And he had called many people to guide him and see whether he can be able to do pottery. But majority of the people who came, they were telling him it is not possible to do pottery farming in this farm because the space is limited. And I told him I will come with my technician as Francis Wakuku and we try to work together. Allow me to show you what we did in that transpose of within 2 weeks. This is a work of 2 weeks. First of all, we started with the construction of the warehouse. And this is the warehouse, the whole of it. And the whole of this warehouse, it is measuring 29 or 30 by 15. 30 by 15. And it have a capacity to accommodate 900 birds. This biosecurity, just because of cleanness. And first of all, we started with constructing of the warehouse. And after we finished constructing the warehouse, we were able to deliver the cages. We installed the cage and did the modification that was required. And after that, we delivered the feeds from Farmers Fresh Company. And after 2 weeks, we delivered the birds. So, come with me. I show you what Francis Wakuku does. Welcome. This is the warehouse that we were constructing. And as you can see, we always tell people the issue of ventilation, cleanness, and also the issue of security. And inside in this warehouse, if I allow my cameraman to get in, inside the whole of this warehouse, you can see this the roof. On the rooftop, we have some ventilation side here. We have also some transparent mabati. This is because of those people who always say that, what if I don't have electricity at my site? And with me, now if I allow my camera to go back there, with me, this is the cage that we delivered. And I want to count with you. This cage, there are 2 cages. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 2 cages done modification. And each cage carry 128 birds. So the whole of this line, it have 256 birds. The cage come with all these accessories. We can start with the tank. You can see the tank is there. Water have the ball valve, so that whenever water enter in, at that point, inajifunga. We have the feeders. These are the feeders, original plastic feeders. And then the nipples where the birds take water from. So they just need to place here, and then the water comes down. We have feeds from Farmers Fresh Company. You can see the quality of the feed that we are having. And on this side, when the bird will start laying, the eggs will be dropping on this side. On this side. So this is 256. I want to calculate with you people. This is 256. On the other side, here I can also show you. There are those people who ask about the issue of manure. Okay, they are in 4 stairs. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So whenever this bird manure falls down, on the other side falls down. So it is very easy for you to clean. It is very easy for you to clean. It's just to clean in an easy way. So on this, here we have the records. We have the record. This is what I always tell people whenever I come at site. After delivering the birds, you see the birds, I delivered them on date 13 December 2023. That's when I delivered the birds. And the number of the birds in every row we indicated. And about the way we will be feeding them. This is the morning and also evening. By this, we are meaning that every bird is taking 140 grams. And here on this side, you can see this is a cage, another cage. capacity of 64 birds with the same accessories. When you come on the other side, you see there is another one, capacity of 64 birds, and the same with the same accessories. You also come on the other side, as you can see. These are another cages with the same accessories and the same birds. So these birds, I brought them when they were maybe 2 months to lay. They have been in this farm for 2 weeks. And what I can tell you, the reality is, I was telling my client that the birds will start laying after two months. But with the look of eye, these birds will lay in a duration of 1.5 months or even 1 month. They are Kenchik breed. All well vaccinated. We vaccinate them. And also you can see we have started doing identification. So this is cube 81. So that you can confirm whether they have laid or not. This is cube 80. The other one is cube 7. So that you can be able to confirm. It is very easy for you to manage. You can know which birds are laying and which birds that are not laying. And also you can be able to identify the health status of the bird. And also if you have employed someone and maybe you may not trust him, you can be able to know the record of your birds. So as you can see, this project, the whole of this warehouse, it have a capacity to accommodate 900 birds. So after every week or after every month, we deliver the feed from Farmers Freight Company. And also I came to do the follow-up and see what we are doing. Because of those people who have been asking and saying that they don't know how to do the work, I have trained personnel. Whenever you want someone to come and work in your farm, we just discuss with you. I bring that person and train him and show him what we can do. And for example, in this site at Bagogoni Vika, there is this guy who had requested me the opportunity, and I decided to give him. And I would allow him to say hi to my YouTube followers and tell him where I got him and how long he has been in this farm and how is the project. So Sam, welcome and talk to my followers.
Okay. I'm Samuel, naitwa Samuel. Nimetoka hapa Italia na nimefurahia sana wenye Francis wa kuku alileta hizi kuku. Pia mimi nilipata kazi hapo, so kazi yake inasaidia watu tofauti. Mimi imenisaidia, nimepata kazi na kuku ziko sawa. In case of anything, unampigia simu, huwa anakuja kuangalia kuku. Kama leo amekuja kuangalia. So wewe unataka kulea kuku wako na unashindwa kuku wako akigonjeka ama apate shida fulani ama kuna mtu atakuwa anakuja. Francis huwa anakuja, si kuleta tu kuku na anaenda unamkosa. Hapana, anakaa kama wiki moja, anakuja ukimwambia kuna issue fulani ya kuku anakuja. So amefanya kazi nzuri sana huku, anafurahia kwa kazi yake. Huku kuosha, nafanya kazi ya kuosha, kupea kuku chakula. Jinsi mnavyoona, kuosha ni rahisi juu maji iko hapa. Kuna maji hapo kwa tank. Maji unakuja tu na ukagio ama bruni unaosha. So kuosha na usafi iko sawa. Unaona venye kuko cemented. So kazi sio ngumu vile. Na maji kwa tank mnafungulia tu hapo kwa tank iko. So kazi inakuwa rahisi hivyo.
There are some youth huko nje ambao wanasema hawana kazi. Na ukiwaitia kazi kama hii, mtu anakuambia kazi ni ngumu, kazi itamchafua. Ningetaka encourage, uambie venye hii kazi imekusaidia, venye umeiona, kama iko na uchovu na kama ina uchovu, na kama iko na uchovu waambie pia. Kama ina uambie haina uchovu. Ili muyouth mwenye ako hapo nje, mwenye anashinda akiniambia Francis wa kuku nitafutie kazi, na ukimwambia ni kazi ya kuku iko anakuambia hataki, anataka kazi nyingine, encourage, umwambie venye unaweza msaidia.
Wacha niseme kazi ya kuku sio ngumu. Kama mnavyoniona hata nimevaa slippers tayari. Juu kazi nimemaliza. Nilifanya kazi asubuhi for 2 hours. Juu kuosha si kazi ngumu. Hata kuosha utaosha na miguu. Utaosha miguu tu. Unaona hata hakuna uchafu. So unafagilia, unamwaga maji, unaosha kila kitu. Kama saa hizi ni saa 7 nishamaliza kazi. So kazi ya kuku si ngumu, hata imepita ya wale wanafanya kazi zingine na huko nje. So kazi ya kuku si ngumu, hata wewe unataka kulea kuku, hata kama si kuku wengi. Usiseme ati kuku iko na kazi ya kufagilia, kunanuka, huku akunuki, unaosha kila siku, na si kichafu. Na kuku na kinyesi ya kuku si kama ya mbwa ati itanuka. Kuku ni safi, unaona hata miguu venye ni safi, ni kama huwa tunaosha juu aziguzani na uchafu. Kazi yenye Francis anafanya ni kazi safi sana, ni kazi smart. Wewe ukitaka kuku, ita Mr. Francis wa kuku. Ukitaka kumpata YouTube ni Francis wa kuku. Yani kila mahali ni Francis wa kuku. So nimefurahia sana Mr. Francis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. I wanted you to hear from the horse mouth. Instead ya kusema Francis unafanya hivi na hivi. Hapana. Mimi niliwaambia disability is not inability. And whatever any other person can do, all my city can do it better. So I can help you to get opportunity. I can help you to start this venture. And for those people who have been asking, what if mayai flood? What I want to tell you is, I have a good platform for you to sell your eggs. I have a good platform for you to get quality feeds. I have a good platform for you to get a warehouse. So you don't have any reason not to invest, either in poultry, either in pigs, with Francis Wakuku. I'm always here to help you achieve your dream. This bird, the whole of this, we have said it's a capacity of 900 birds, so that we are believing in the next 1 month, this client of mine will be able to collect eggs. And whenever he will collect eggs, I'm already ready to connect him with the market, and also for the delivery of the eggs, watu wenye watakuwa nakujia. So if you are there, you are interested with this venture, be it you want to start with cages, be it you want birds at point of laying, be it you want construction of the warehouse, don't worry about the distance. Just call my number 0717 108 735. Remember, as I always tell you, disability is not inability, and whatever another person can do, all Messina can do it better. And transparency is the key. I'm talking about the transparency because of these people who are outside the country. They might think ati unatuma pesa unaibiwa. Kwangu wanasema transparency is the key to success. So right now from here we are taking 1,000 birds at Nakuru, and from there we are taking another 500 birds and the same route at Kisumu to one of my clients who is in America. The one in Nakuru is in Netherlands, and we are taking the project. So, and also my team, others they are at Muranga, a place called Maragua, constructing a warehouse of 300 birds to a client who is in UK. So what I want to tell you is we are here to serve you. We are here to prove what we can do. And feel free to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment, like, share with a friend, ask any question. If you want to SMS me, you sometime, you people, you may call me and you find that I'm busy. What I want to tell you, leave a message. Leave a message, be it on an SMS, be it on an email, be it on a YouTube, be it on even on a WhatsApp. Use that number 0717 108 735, and there on the screen you will see also I have another number that you can call me with whenever you want to have any clarification according to your project. So 0717 108 735. Disability is not inability, and whatever another person can do, always they can do it better and be in 2024, year of 2024. I pray God that to help you achieve all your goals, achieve your dreams, because I am telling my client, it is a year of harvest. All the dreams that you have been having, you will harvest in this year 2024. Thank you. God bless you all. Love you all.